The compact Clarke PSV6A 1.5-inch submersible pump is highly versatile. This robust, powerful water pump is ideal for rapidly shifting both clean and dirty water. It has unique folding legs, which will allow it to clear clean water to a depth of only a few millimeters and solids in suspension up to 30 millimeters in diameter. With a maximum flow rate of 133 liters per minute and a maximum pumping height of 5 meters, the PSV6A is powerful for its size. Designed with an integral handle for easy transportation, it is ideal for draining clean or dirty water from pits, floods, sumps, cellars and more. Manufactured from corrosion-proof materials, the PSV6A has a powerful 400-watt, 230-volt motor for economical running. It comes complete with a 1.5-inch BSP outlet with non-return valve and a 4-step adapter to allow the fitment of a wide range of hose sizes. A selection of lay-flat and reinforced hose along with hose clips are available from your local Clarke stockist. The PSV6A is fitted with a float switch for automatic water level control, automatically switching the pump on when the water is above a predetermined level and turning it off when the water level is lowered. The 10-meter-long mains cable makes it easy to keep electrical connections well away from the water that you're pumping. So, if you need to remove floodwater, transfer water, empty a swimming pool, drain containers, or take water from wells and shafts, even if that water contains solids in suspension, the Clarke PSV6A is the pump for you and will address all your pumping needs for many years to come.